How to build funnels in Zenler. Funnels are the heart of your creator business because they help you attract leads, grow your list, and make sales while you sleep. Zenler gives you a powerful built-in funnel builder. Getting started with funnels. Go to Marketing, Funnels, then create a funnel. Choose your funnel type. Zenler includes templates for lead magnets, video series funnels, and even logic-based surveys. Each has a pre-designed structure, so you never get lost. If this is your first funnel, start with a lead magnet funnel. That includes an opt-in page and a thank you page and nothing else. So you can just set those up and then set up your automations. Building your first funnel pages. Inside the funnel editor, you'll see the funnel flow with your opt-in page, thank you page, sales page, webinar registration, and checkout page. Each page can be edited using Zenler's drag and drop editor. So remember, when you create a lead magnet, it creates 2 pages, but you can create extra steps to tie into things like your courses or even to a webinar registration link. Your opt-in page should include clear headline, benefit-driven subline. Remember that what you're addressing, the pain point. What is the value? What are you giving them? And what is that transformation at the end? So you put that all into that page so it gets maximum attention straight away and people clearly know what you're giving them. Your thank you page can confirm the submission, set expectations, preview the lead magnets, can offer a low ticket tripwire as well. So you could, if you wanted to, send an email out afterwards with a low ticket digital download, for instance, and send them into that. So it's all really, really flexible. Anything you can think of. What I like to say is people should write down what they want on a piece of paper. Then it's really easy to visualize and build inside Zenler. Adding automations and offers. Inside funnels and automations, set the trigger as opt-in form submitted. Then add actions, send email delivering the lead magnet, and tag and start the email sequence. The moment someone opts in, they receive the lead magnet, get nurtured and move towards offer with 0 manual work. A lead magnet funnel becomes a sales funnel when you add a tripwire, upsell, or order bump. Zenler includes all 3 types, so you can build these in. So you can basically think of anything and you can build those into the system. Publishing and support. Each funnel shows opt-in rates, conversion rates, sales through the courses, page views, and email engagement. So you instantly see what's working. Once your funnel is ready, set it to published and you'll receive your funnel link, custom domain link, embedded form, and social sharing options. Drive traffic from YouTube, Instagram, TikTok, your blog, email, or ads. You get help from tutorials, support docs, our YouTube training, our Facebook community, or our weekly live support desks. And of course, you already be taking part in the 30-day accelerator program, which will push you and get you motivated to get the job done. Follow the link in the description, guys, to find out more.